Who co-chaired the 2025 Artificial Intelligence Action Summit? Correct answer is option B. Emmanuel Macron and Narendra Modi. Which is the smallest district of Uttar Pradesh by area? Correct answer is option C. Hapur is the smallest district. What is the total length of the northern plain of India? Correct answer is option B. 24,000 kilometers. In which year was the Union Territory of Puducherry officially formed? Correct answer is option C. 1962. What was the percentage of urban population in India according to the 2011 census? Correct answer is option C. 31.16%. Who was awarded the Maharaja Hari Singh Award 2025 in the category of reforms and planning? Correct answer is option C. Manoj Sinha. Girish Karnath was related to which of the following fields? Correct answer is option C. Literature and theatre. Daniel Noboa was recently elected president of which country? Correct answer is option B. Ecuador. How many chemical elements are found naturally on Earth? Correct answer is option B. 94 elements. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that no person shall be given any title except military or academic distinction? Correct answer is option C. Article 18. The Singh Sabha movement is related to which religion? Correct answer is option D. Sikhism. Where do the rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet to form the river Ganga? Correct answer is option B. Dev-Prayag. How many athletes participated in the Paris 2024 Olympics? Correct answer is option B. 10,500. What does Article 18 of the Indian Constitution deal with? Correct answer is option D. Abolition of titles. Sharda Sinha is famous for singing in which of the following language? Correct answer is option B. Maithili and Bhojpuri. Which film won the 2024 Golden Globe for Best Original Score? Correct answer is option D. Oppenheimer. The Damodar River originates from which plateau? Correct answer is option B. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Which of the following is the total fund allocated by the central government under the Smart Cities Mission 2015 to 2020? Correct answer is option C. In computers, which feature allows quick access to frequently used or recently opened files and folders in an application like File Explorer? Correct answer is option C. The Asmita loan scheme was launched by which bank? Correct answer is option C. State Bank of India. The Saka rulers, also known as Scythians, came from which region? Correct answer is option A. Central Asia. Which article of the Indian Constitution mention the application of directive principles of state policy. Correct answer is option C. Article 17. As per the Regulating Act of 1773, the Madras and Bombay presidencies were made subordinate to which authority? Correct answer is option C. Who succeeded Chandragupta II as the ruler during the Gupta period? Correct answer is option C. Kumar Gupta. Thumri folk is a music form from which state of India? Correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following is an indirect tax? Correct answer is option C. GST, Goods and Service Tax. Delhi was designated as the National Capital Territory through which constitutional amendment? Correct answer is option C. 69 Amendment. What is the northernmost Himalayan range called? Correct answer is option D. Himadri. The Warli peasant movement is associated with which region? Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. The bear-dead statue found in Mohenjo-daro is made of which material? Correct answer is option C.